In this video, I'll show you how to go offline on Grindr. And first of all, I'm really sorry I'm recording like this. Grindr doesn't let you screen record, shows a blank screen, so we have to get creative. Now, I'll show you different methods. One will be paid, the other ones are free. So if you do have extra funds to spare, come here on Browse, click on your profile icon at the top left, and you see this Incognito Mode. If you pay for this, you can actually go offline. Okay, when you go incognito, you're basically offline as well. The other method is when you actually close your app. So here I've changed the icon. It looks like to do right now. But if you go and close the app, usually what happens is you don't actually go offline until the app completely closes. So it takes like 48 hours. What I found the best way is to hold on to the app, click on app info, and then what I do is come here at the bottom right and click on force stop, okay? And click on OK. When you force stop this app, it completely closes and it takes you offline. Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.